In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in Notion. If you've ever worked with databases in Notion, you've probably noticed that longer text inside a property can get cut off. You might only see the first line and then a little hint that there's more text hidden. That can make it hard to quickly scan your information. The good news is, there's a simple setting called Wrap Content that lets your text automatically flow onto multiple lines so you can see everything at a glance. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, open Notion and navigate to the database where you want to adjust the text wrapping. This could be a table where you track tasks, a content calendar, a CRM, or any other database view. The key is that you're in a database, not just a regular page with text blocks. Make sure you're in a table-style view since that's where the wrap content option is the most useful and visible. Once your database is open, look along the top of the table where your column headers are. These are the property names like name, status, notes, or anything else you've created. If you have a property that tends to contain longer text, such as descriptions or comments, that's where wrapping will really help. Now, to access the wrap setting, move your mouse to the top right area of the database near the view controls. Depending on your layout and window size, you might see an options menu represented by 3 dots. Click on that to open the database options. This menu controls how your database looks and behaves, including things like row height, density, and in this case, whether text is wrapped or not. In this options menu, look for an item labeled Wrap Content. When wrapping is turned off, longer text in your cells will be shown on a single line with the rest hidden until you click into the cell. When you turn it on, the row height will expand automatically to fit all the text, so you can read it directly from the table view. Click on Wrap Content to enable it. As soon as you do, you should see your table adjust. Any cells that contain longer text will now spread onto multiple lines instead of being cut off. This makes it much easier to scan through details without having to open each entry. That's all there is to it. By turning on Wrap Content, you make your Notion databases more readable and your workspace more efficient.